friends, welcome to this photography video. This is Sumit Hooper on SPW Lounge, your one place where you could watch, learn and explore. Today I'm going to start my new video series, Makeover. In this series, every week we are going to work on selected image where I will show you my workflow for post-processing. We will be using Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop to complete our work. You also have opportunity to visit my portfolio on my website sumitphotoworld.com and nominate your selected image which I may include in next episode. And to nominate, you just need to mention the image code in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook with my page handle at sumitphotoworld. Please like and subscribe this video and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss out any content. In our first episode today, we have 3 images to work on and we'll be using Lightroom. Without further delay, let's get started. So now we are in Lightroom. You can see my first image is viscous flower. I see a lot of opportunity I can improve this image, but if you notice carefully, I have this image in JPEG file. So you will see how I will work with the JPEG files, and we still have some opportunity left with us where we can improve this image. So before starting anything, we need to observe that how the image is looking like, what elements we want to take out from the frame. So for me, first we need to just enhance the contrast a little bit. Yeah, you can see the colors looking more popping. And now we will work with the surrounding, and for this we are going to work with the brush tool. So this is the new version of Lightroom, so you'll see the different interface, not like before. So for the brush tool, we have, it's already a new mask selected. We need to just adjust the exposure to the minimal possible value. We have -4 here, because what we are going to do, we are going to apply dark exposure on the surroundings which we don't want to show in our frame final image. So let me increase the brush size. I believe that will be enough. So be careful when you are doing this. Make sure your feathers only touching the edges of petals. I'll just take it out also. I don't want that. I do not want that petal to be touching the frame around it. So you can feel that how it's improving in the, and I'll give final touch also. I also don't like to see this green patch area. Let's reduce this brush size a little bit. We are going a little bit. If you spill over some part of details, you can just take it out also. So for this we have option of erase. You can see this erase option, and if you think you have spill over, you can just take it out. Oh, sorry, I did it. You'll have to take it. Yeah, so we got it back. So now we have worked with this brush part. You have to just click on that. You still see we have some visibility from the surrounding. So for this there is a trick. We have to make black for the black. and now the magic started. You can see this image now. It's completely different feel. So we'll see before and after. So you can see how the image is converted from ordinary to extraordinary. This is amazing. Now let's jump on to our next image. Now we are going to work on the Gedra flower. This is really good flower, amazing one. I've never seen this flower like this before, and the thing is the light is not good. I need to still work with the lighting part, but I thought I can make it better in the post-processing. We'll see how we can get it. So before we do anything on this image, I'll show you the tone curve thing, how we can improve the enhance of visual with just little effort in tone curve. So you can see I just selected this point curve. I'll just make it little higher and I'll just touch down a little bit. You can see the magic started. Okay, so I got something which I want. You will see the surrounding is still not up to my expectations. I'll improve the surrounding also. We'll go to the effects. We'll add this vignette effect after post-processing one. And you can see now we are reaching our desired frame, we can say. Now color is looking a bit bold, so let it make it more subtle effect. We'll just take it out. Maybe this one. Yep. Let's take out the highlights also, so we'll see more details. What else we can do here? We can improve the clarity here. A little bit of vibrance. I'm just trying to make the balance between the colors, how it will feel, and the final image, how we should see the image in our sense. It's really matter. That's it. We do add more black. The surrounding, you see, it's giving more effect. Yep. So this is the final image. So we'll see before and after. We feel completely change in this image. So now we have our final image to work with. This is cactus. So now we are with cactus. Cactus is always amazing. They all have all the, you can say, the texture, details. It's amazing feel to see a cactus right on top. What we can do here? We have to first enhance the contrast. And for surrounding, I'm going to apply the same method. We'll go to the effect, we'll add the vignette effect. And you'll see we still have something in the surrounding. We'll try to cover it with the black. We'll use some shadows. Maybe you're doing too much, so let it. If you still feel that something is left there, so we'll have our best friend with us, that is brush tool. So we are going to apply the same method. We'll use it. Hide the surrounding. So now we are ready with the image. Oh, they will add something. Left it. So I'm going to select the same mark. So I'm going to just bring up the details from the black little bit. That's enough. So you can see with just little effort and this amazing frame we have. So whenever you want to work with the cactus, be careful, they are really stingy. I'm sure you like this video, and I'm also looking forward for suggestion from you that what kind of video photography tutorials you want me to create for you. Maybe we'll have different topic to discuss with us in the next episode. And you want to connect with me, you can connect me on the Facebook, on the Instagram, on the WhatsApp, on my websites, on my email, whatever the way comfortable, you can connect with me. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video, and maybe we'll have more fun together in the next video. For this moment, I should say goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye-bye.